Asagaon Panchayat body on Saturday passed resolution of conducting a joint site inspection over the Asagaon property along with the Mapsa BDO. This decision comes after they received a complaint from RTI activist Kashinath Shetty stating not to issue any licenses, permission (NOC) and to disconnect the electricity and water connection to the Agrawalekars and to take action against Pooja Sharma. Residents of Nevalim are furious about the worsening traffic congestion at Nevalim Junction. During peak hours, local youth volunteer to manage the traffic, a job meant for the traffic cell. With no traffic personnel deployed at this crucial junction, school and college students, as well as devotees attending morning mass, face daily congestion. In this campaign, Goa Traffic Choke, Herald TV visited Nevalim Junction to see the traffic situation. Going to school is a nightmare for students of Kala village Sangem, since they have to walk for 3 hours daily, through a forest since there is no road even for two-wheelers. Students risk their limbs since the narrow path is steep, slippery and dangerous since they start at 6 a.m. to catch the bus at Pirla. During the rainy season, rainwater and small landslides make walking treacherous. Sometimes, due to wind, trees fall on the way. Karnataka Chief Minister's request to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to approve the Kalsa Bhanduri drinking water project, which faces environmental and wildlife concerns, has drawn flack from Goa's opposition parties and activists who have called upon the state government to persuade Modi not to grant permission until the Supreme Court resolves the case. A truck rammed into a goods carrier vehicle on the Porvorim highway, causing the driver to lose control, veer off the road, and crash into the entrance of RG Hospital. Fortunately, no major injuries were reported, but several parked bikes were crushed under the goods carrier. Kurtorim MLA Elixo Reginaldo Lorenco said that underground power cabling work in his constituency, worth 70 crores rupees, will be completed by March 2025. Lorenco said that once the works are completed, it will end repeated power outages in Kurtorim caused by trees or their branches falling on overhead power lines. He further added that the work of new police station will be completed within 1 year. Activists from across Goa have renewed their strong demand for demolition of the illegal Old Goa bungalow. They demanded for an inquiry into the claim of forged signature by Shaina. They also decried the Old Goa police inspector washing his hands of the matter, which is in the JMFC court at Panjim, say he be kept out of the case and failed to file an FIR. Due to the climate change, sea ice concentration, SIC, in the Central Arctic Sea is reducing, which is affecting the Indian summer monsoon, ISMR. While reduced SIC decreases rainfall over western and southern peninsular India, it increases precipitation specifically over northwestern and central India, finds a latest study done by the National Centre for Polar and Ocean Research, NCPOR, Goa. The Water Resources Department and the Corporation of the City of Panjim, CCP, have installed a sluice gate along the promenade to mitigate flooding in Panjim during the monsoon opposite the ferry wharf. Residents of the Verna Ambarol area have demanded that the Goa State Pollution Control Board, GSPCB, and other authorities take immediate action against an alleged polluting unit in their village. The unit is accused of releasing highly polluted wastewater that drains from the plateau into the village lake and fields. Villagers take the statue of São Pedro, Saint Peter, in a Sangod at Sangolda while fishermen cast their fishing net from the canoe in the background on the occasion of the feast of Saint Peter and Paul on Saturday. Usually, every patron feast in Goa is celebrated with a theatre in the evening at the church courtyard, but for this particular feast, the stage is set on water. For Sangod, canoes are tied together and a wooden stage is set up on the canoes for entertaining the audience. The unity of Christians and Hindus was evident at the joyous Mannar feast celebrated at Vitaldaswara Morji on Sunday. On this occasion, Hindus and Christians from across Goa visited the Mannar Khuris and Tulsi to seek blessings, united as one community. A medical equipment bank was opened in Vasco to offer free medical equipment to people in need on Saturday. The Ananta Physiotherapy Center, in association with the Bandkar Charity Foundation and Rotary Club of Panji Riviera, launched the medical equipment bank. Speaking on the occasion, Vasco MLA lauded the initiative, emphasizing its potential to benefit the community. India's agonizing 11-year wait for a global title was brought to an end by Virat Kohli's ingenuity and Rohit Sharma's inspirational captaincy as the star-studded team outwitted eternal bridesmaids South Africa by 7 runs in a seesaw final to lift its second T20 World Cup trophy here on Saturday. Founders Cup 2024 U17 Boys 9-a-side inter-school football tournament organized by Union of Chinchaneem Villagers and played on Chinchaneem Church ground. In the first match, Bethani Convent High School defeated Infant Jesus High School by 6-5 via tiebreaker. Whereas, in the second match, the King's School São Jose de Ariel defeated Mount Carmel High School by 2-0.